Speed to transmission speed. A newly developed 6-speed automatic transmission is also available. All variants are fitted with trailer sway control, which is designed to assist if a towed vehicle becomes unsettled by crosswinds, bumpy roads or sharp turns of the steering wheel. Maximum brake towing capacity will be 3 tons for the manual and 2.8 tons for the auto. A part-time 4x4 during day-to-day driving, owners can turn a dial to access Fortschner's impressive 4-wheel drivability in high or low range. The suspension package was developed and tuned by local engineers to meet Australia's harsh conditions, with double wishbones at the front and a 5-link coil spring configuration at the rear for impressive handling stability and ride comfort on all surfaces. Front and rear stabilizer bars suppress body roll. The vehicle's off-road prowess is enhanced by a rear differential lock with the componentry placed within the differential housing for greater off-road protection. Significant local development was also applied to ensure optimum tuning of the stability and active traction control electronics for local conditions, particularly for use on gravel. Drivers can disable the electronics for specific off-road situations, such as driving in slippery mud or sand. A reversing camera is standard across the range, as are 7 airbags, hill start assist control and an emergency stop signal. Toyota expects Fortuner to attract the top 5-star safety rating. All variants will feature front and rear air conditioning, large touchscreen audio displays, Toyota Link connected mobility, side steps, 17 or 18-inch wheels, disc brakes front and rear, and an air-conditioned compartment that helps keep drinks and food warm or cold. The 2 higher grades are fitted with roof rails, fog lamps, reverse parking sensors, keyless smart entry and start, and downhill assist control. At the top of the range, features include bi-LED headlamps and LED daytime running lamps, a power back door and 18-inch alloys with highway tires. Fortuner will come to Australia with a comprehensive and integrated range of Toyota genuine accessories developed and rigorously tested locally. These accessories built on the strong global platform and specifically meet the needs of Australian buyers, Mr. Cram said. Fortuner engine, high torque and efficiency. Toyota's latest sport utility vehicle, the new Fortuner, will be powered by a newly developed 2.8-liter direct-injection turbo-diesel engine that raises the bar for fuel efficiency, performance and quietness. Designated 1GD, the 2,755 cm 3-4-cylinder common rail turbo-diesel engine employs a highly efficient fuel injection system and intake, exhaust ports. The engine is notable for its high torque at low revolutions, and its maximum torque of 450 Nm is available from 1,600 to 2,400 revolutions per minute when driven through Toyota's new 6-speed automatic transmission. Fortuner will also be offered with the 6-speed manual gearbox, available on higher grades with intelligent technology that ensures smoother shifting by matching engine revs to transmission speed. The manual's peak torque is 420 Nm. Maximum power of 130 kW is reached at 3,400 revolutions per minute, while the power curve below 3,000 revolutions per minute supports slow to mid-range performance. Toyota's engineers developed the engine from the ground up to be lightweight with high combustion efficiency and low friction, resulting in excellent fuel efficiency. These measures, along with the inclusion of a diesel particulate filter, have resulted in reduced emissions and compliance with Euro 5 emissions standards. Fuel consumption on the official combined cycle is expected to be below 8 liters 100 km for manual variants of the part-time 4x4 sport utility vehicle. The engine's port shape has been designed to maximize airflow into the cylinders. A newly developed combustion chamber shape and advanced control of fuel injection pressure are used to optimize the injection of fuel into the combustion chamber to achieve high thermal efficiency and reduced emissions. Precise pilot injection matching the state of the ambient air occurs before the main injection to shorten ignition delay, achieving stable combustion even in harsh environments. while ensuring quiet operation and high thermal efficiency. The engine features a compact high-efficiency variable geometry turbocharger produced in-house by Toyota. It has a newly developed turbine that improves efficiency and a newly developed impeller that provides instantaneous acceleration response and produces maximum torque over a wide range of engine speeds. The use of silica-reinforced porous anodized aluminum on the pistons ensures optimum heat management during combustion. CRPA is a highly effective insulation and dissipation material that is easy to heat and cool. Toyota will continue to position diesel engines as a key component of the Toyota engine lineup, based on the philosophy of providing the right vehicles for the right places at the right time. The entire Toyota group is focused on developing cleaner and more competitive diesel engines across a wide range of vehicle types, taking into account the varying needs of people around the world. Strong, refined and functional, new Fortuner design. Toyota's new Fortuner sport utility vehicle debuts a compelling design that expresses refinement and innovation as well as being functional and tough. Fortuner projects a fluid and dynamic character that clearly distinguishes it from the 5 other sport utility vehicles in the Toyota range. Toyota Australia's Executive Director Sales and Marketing Tony Cram said 7-seat Fortuner's credentials extend well beyond its stylish, urban appeal. Fortuner's advanced design gives little hint as to its true capabilities, especially its underlying toughness and prodigious off-road ability for people seeking adventure, Mr. Cram said. While it shares many under-the-skin components with the next-generation Hilux, its styling is unique and targeted at modern sport utility vehicle buyers, he said. Fortuner's large upper grille is slanted and framed by thick chrome plating that extends around the sleek and aggressive projector headlamps, by LED on high-grade Crusade variants. The strong design features a prominent three-dimensional trapezoidal front bumper that produces a sense of depth, while deeply recessed fog lamps on selected grades emphasize the vehicle's width. Along the side, a bold character line runs across the doors between the flared front and rear fenders, which feature sculpted surfaces to express refinement in the midst of toughness. A chrome-plated molding runs along the belt line to the rear window where it kicks up. The C-pillar has been blacked out to produce a floating roof effect for a dynamically striking look even when the vehicle is stationary. Other features include side steps, roof rails, a shark fin antenna and 17 or 18-inch wheels, including the Crusade's 18-inch alloy rims with thick powerful spokes and contrasting narrow, precision spokes. From the back, Fortuner's rounded upper body is highlighted by a chrome-plated molding that wraps around from the sides to the back glass, a distinct contrast to the rear bumper, which has protruding corners. The sleek rear combination lamps and license plate garnish blend with the complex surfaces of the rear body. All grades feature LED stop lamps for high-tech image. Fortuner to boost Toyota's market-leading sport utility vehicle sales. New Fortuner with its strong turbo diesel performance is set to build on Toyota's long-term leadership as the auto industry's top-selling SUV brand. Toyota has sold more SUVs than any other brand each year since the term sports utility vehicles was first used officially by VFAX in 2003, and for many years previously when these vehicles were known as all-terrain wagons. Toyota's Executive Director Sales and Marketing Tony Cram said Fortuner arrives into a market where the popularity of diesel sport utility vehicles among private buyers has recently surged ahead of business demand. Fortuner offers the space, ride comfort, modern features, performance and off-road ability to meet this growing demand among private buyers looking for adventure, Mr. Cram said. These and other Fortuner attributes such as great fuel efficiency and top-level safety are also highly valued by business users. Until 2013, non-private sales, including to business, government and rental companies, accounted for the majority of diesel sport utility vehicles, with the annual gap over private sales often around 25% and as high as 40%. Sales to private customers edged ahead in 2013 and accelerated last year, growing strongly to more than 69,000 diesel sport utility vehicles, 11,000 more than the combined sales to business and other users. Total sales last year of 127,588 diesel sport utility vehicles were almost 4 times higher than the level reached a decade ago in 2005. This represents faster growth than the overall sport utility vehicle market, which has doubled during that period from 180,292 to a record last year of 352,462 vehicles. Toyota delivered 56,663 sport utility vehicles in Australia last year, outselling its nearest competitor by more than 22,000 vehicles and achieving its second-best year on record. No other brand has ever sold 40,000 sport utility vehicles in a single year. Toyota's 2014 result was buoyed by record demand for RAV4 and a gain of 10.6% for Prado. Kluger, with the changeover to a new model, contributed 11,484 sales, while Land Cruiser Wagon lifted its segment share to 83% from 79.8%. Toyota's push in this segment up to the 1990s was led by the Land Cruiser Wagon, which has now amassed a cumulative total of more than 240,000 sales in Australia, counted separately from the